Welcome to Nissan of Stockton, the area's premier Nissan dealer. And here's a look at one of our new vehicles from our terrific selection of new Nissans. At Nissan of Stockton, we truly believe that there's a Nissan model that will meet your driving needs, and we're ready to prove it to you with our commitment to quality customer service. Whether you're in the beginning stages of your buying process or ready to take the plunge, we'll be there by your side. Our financing department works to ensure your dreams of ownership don't fade due to confusing financing terms. Our team is trained to find the car loan or Nissan lease that fits your individual needs. Fantastic customer service from Nissan of Stockton doesn't end when the sale does. Our dealership also staffs a state-of-the-art on-site auto service and repair center. Their goal is to make sure that every mile you spend behind the wheel is one that is worry-free. From purchase to ownership, come down to Nissan of Stockton and let us treat you right. We're located at 3077 East Hammer Lane in Stockton.